I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and identifying the loop source so you don't lose data. Open the integrated terminal and run a simple command like echo test to confirm responsiveness. Next, inspect tasks. JSON launch, JSON package, JSON scripts, and any watcher extensions, because these commonly trigger automatic reruns. Once done, note any process ID or terminal names. Make sure to keep one terminal dedicated for diagnostics, so you can safely stop processes without disrupting other work. Now actively stop the loop. Hit Ctrl+C in the terminal or click the terminal trash icon to kill that session. If that fails, open your system process list, PS on Mac OS/Linux or Task Manager on Windows, and kill the offending PID. Then isolate the cause by disabling file watchers and reload on save extensions, and temporarily rename scripts in package. JSON or comment out tasks in tasks. JSON. Make sure to restart VS Code after changes to clear cached watchers and confirm the loop no longer restarts. Finally, apply a permanent fix. Edit tasks. JSON or package. JSON to remove automatic triggers or add debounce logic so file changes don't retrigger builds. Once done, restore your saved work and re-enable extensions one at a time to verify which caused the loop. If the loop persists, inspect VS Code output and Developer Tools console for error messages and check workspace settings for lingering watch patterns. A single troubleshooting tip: reproduce the loop with minimal config to isolate the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.